Oh my gosh! I hope you're not here for dating advice, because dating and bug bounty hunting have nothing in common. So don't worry, because we all know the type of people that watch hacking videos. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, my friends. It's your boy Secret Letters, and just like there are red flags in dating, there are red flags in bug bounty hunting as well. So pack a sandwich, grab your bug bounty backpack, because we're about to go on a hacking adventure and see how many red flags are stopping you from achieving your goals. Our first red flag is engaging in vulnerability disclosure programs, otherwise known as STDs. Wait a minute. That doesn't sound right. I think I mean VDPs. Anyways, programs with low payouts. Now, you might be wondering, Secret Letters, aren't these programs a good starting point for noobs like me? Yes, they are, and that's why I hack on them. But here's the catch. Participating in basic vulnerability disclosure programs or programs with minimal rewards is beneficial for honing your skills and testing your automated tools, like using nuclei. Anyways, these platforms typically have less competition and fewer previously discovered bugs, making them ideal for practice before tackling your challenging targets. Now, we all know enhancing internet security is what everyone is thinking about, but let's be real, the primary motive for many of us bug bounty hunters is bounties. Red flag number 2, low average payouts. The heck is up with that? The average payout of a program can be quite telling about their appreciation for researchers. Even if high rewards are advertised, the true nature of a program's payout policy isn't really clear until you submit your first bug. And companies don't use high bounty promises as a marketing strategy, right? We've all read stories and seen instances where high severity bugs are downgraded, resulting in lower or no compensation. So a program's long-standing and low average payouts could be a red flag. Red flag number 3, lengthy response and triage times. The heck is up with that? I've been waiting like 2 years for my last submission. But we all heard that patience is an important quality to have, but in the realm of bug bounty hunting, ain't nobody got time for that. Waiting too long for feedback can sabotage your hunt. Some of us may adopt a submit and forget method, so let's just consider these following scenarios that I'm not saying any of us have encountered. Scenario number 1, you submit a bug and receive a response time a month later, possibly forgetting the important details of the vulnerability or task that they're asking you to reanalyze. Scenario number 2, discovering a bug in a paid program only to face a 2-month or 3-month validation process, potentially leading to additional costs for retesting. And scenario number 3, finding a critical bug or experiencing what we all call bug fever in anticipation of a reward, only to learn a month later that your finding is a duplicate. I think I hit home with that one. Let's move on. Red flag number 4, lack of transparency. Trust and openness is vital between security researchers and program triagers. Unfortunately, there's a growing trend of vagueness in some bug bounty triage teams. Some examples to throw at you guys: inconsistent and unexplained reward suggesting favoritism or unclear evaluation processes. Fought my case on that one a couple of times. Anyways, case number 2, misuse of the duplicate label without proper justification, potentially to avoid payouts. Let's move on to scenario number 3. Underestimating the severity of reported vulnerabilities to reduce rewards without adequate explanation to the researcher. Hit me right in the gut with that one. And finally, red flag number 5, excessive scope limitations. Man, I stay away from this one like the plague. So, while organizations may have specific focus areas, overly restrictive scopes can be counterproductive. Here are some key points to consider. Limited vulnerability types. If a program only accepts certain types of vulnerabilities, it may not align with your expertise. Exclusions to 0-day vulnerabilities. Recent CVE discoveries might be worth maybe reconsidering. So thanks for watching, guys. Those are my 5 red flags. Let me know in the comments what red flags you guys have come across. And just like many of us do in the dating world, we do in the bug bounty world as well, and ignore all the red flags. Anyways, until the next video, I'll see you guys out there on the hunt.